guys, getting here with G.T.M Farm. I just wanted to kind of give you guys a little update on the chickens and see how they're growing, see how they're doing. Let's go check them out. I know it's kind of dark in here, but I just wanted to show off that guy. That guy, I think. Don't you go anywhere. I think that is a rooster. You can tell by the crest on his head, and he's getting those nice, beautiful golden feathers. And if you'll notice, if I get close to him, he's defensive and he goes in front of the females. He doesn't want me to come near the females, so that is usually a sign of a rooster. If they're a little bit more aggressive than the hens. But yeah, I mean, he's pretty cool. He's not really mean to us. He just wants his ladies to be protected, and that's cool. That's what you want in a rooster anyway. The rest of them, I can't really tell. They all kind of look like hens to me, so maybe we lucked out. Maybe we just got one rooster, which is all we really want. So we'll see. They still have a lot of growing to do. Still no eggs, really, but yeah. I just gave these ladies their food for the night, and they have a full waterer. So yeah, we're gonna have to get the run set up pretty soon and build some nest boxes in here because they'll start laying within the next couple months. Yeah, they're pretty happy right now. They're just eating their dinner, and yeah, just a happy coop full of ladies. All right, guys, watch out! Watch out! I gotta get out of here. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to give you a little another chicken update. The last video I did on the chickens did pretty well, so seems like you guys kind of like them. So thanks so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Have a good day, bub. Yes, yeah.